Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. I'm one of the senior technical analysts as well as the host of the live trading room. Today is March the 6th on Friday. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. We are looking at the chart of gold for today. This is a 60 minutes chart, and let's take a look here what we got. So we got a very brief but violent sell-off last week when the indices was pulling back big time. Okay, but since then it has recovered very strongly. Even after the indices continue to sort of push lower, the gold continues to recover very nicely. So even though it was violent last week, it was still best to be counted as a three waves here. 1, 2, 3, right? It's a clear ABC 1, 2, 3. So therefore it is corrective if it is a three waves, right? Even though it is pretty big and pretty violent. Now we are looking at this as a wave 3 here, and then this is a cycle degree, right? And this is our wave 4. So then after that we have started to rally again from this equal leg, right? C equal to A. So now take a look at the rally here, and the rally looking impulsive. 1, 2, 3, 4, now finishing with 5. Looks 5 waves, right? And that will definitely shift the weight of the evidence here to the bulls, because we got a 3 waves pullback and we got a 5 waves rally, right? So now as far as we can stay above that last week's low 1564 in the pullback later on, we can see gold continuing to see further upside. Now technically gold, from our technical point of view, gold still needs to break above here to really confirm that this is indeed the 5 waves, and to really confirm we're going to be resuming higher. But the way it is looking right now, it seems to be quite credible that that's going to happen, because like I mentioned, this is looking like a 3 and this is looking like a 5 right now. So again, the key level is going to be 1564. As far as we stay above here, we could see further upside. Now let's take a look a little bit giving you an update on the medium term of gold, right? Again, all the full count and analysis always available inside the member area for all the time frame, as well as listening to the live session, live trading room, and so on. And we have 14 days free trial as well. You can always check us out. Now here, let's take a look, zoom out a little bit, looking at the daily. Now remember, this is 3 and 4. So I'm putting 3 and 4 here. And this is the 3 and 4 now. Gold was so strong. Gold is so strong that it's still kind of a little bit of open question whether this is really in the 3 and 4. If this is the 3 and 4, what that means is that you can see here the rally looks like a 5 waves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So starting point here, 2018 August. Right, August 2018. But then the pullback has been so sharp, I mean so shallow even though it was violent, but it's actually, if you look at it from August 2018 on the daily, that's just a blip, right? It means nothing. Now I think that will frighten a lot of the day-to-day, minute-by-minute traders, but from the long-term traders, long-term investors, this is just a blip. So if this is the 3 in the cycle degree, we're talking about 2 here, right? From August 2018. So we got a 5 waves up from there, ending with 3. Now the problem with this, there's still problem, is okay, if this is the 2, then this got to be a 1 somewhere here, right? I mean, you can count this 1, and this could be like a flat of some sort here. You can either put 1 here, 1 here, doesn't matter. I think 1 here is better, but probably like an expanded flat. So now take a look at this. Now this one from the distribution point of view, this is too sharp and too shallow still, right? Even though it was a big sell-off from the point of view of small time frame traders, but this is really nothing compared to, if you look at the daily. So it still remains kind of open whether this is truly your 3 and 4, or maybe we are actually still within the 3, right? And still needs to do a little bit bigger and a little bit more time from the wave 4, which is still possible, right? But okay, look, so let's assume that this is our 3, this is our 4. So then we are going to be looking from the last push higher in the wave 5 to finish the bigger 5 waves from 2016. So we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, now finishing 5. So what will be a potential target we're talking about here? Well, the potential, one of the ways to measure is just simply wave 1 equal to wave 5. That's one way. There are 3 different ways to measure wave 5, but one way is just like that. So that will give us a target around 1,800 on the upside, right? Now, if we look at the channel, this area is also very interesting, 1,800. Look at this channel here. So you can see gold has been trading within this channel nicely, pretty good. And this one, last time it was in 2019, it broke above this channel here, retest, holds, rally again. So now this upper end here, which is this channel here, this is going to be around 1,800, 1,850, right? In terms of the target on the upside. So that will coincide with this analysis here. If wave 5 equal wave 1, that will be around 1,800. So let's say 1,800 for now, and that should be a potential target on the upside. Of course, it's not going to be one-way street without any pullback at all. Of course, it's ups and downs as always, but for now I think the key level is going to be last week's low. So if we are going to be in the wave 5, right, and going to continue to extend, then 1564 is going to be in the key, and of course, like I said, it can pull back and so on, but a lot of traders, especially in the beginners, do not understand, and when they see like the chart showing like this, they think it is a sell, right? It is not. I mean, remember the instruction here. Yeah, we need to understand the right side of the market and only focus on the right side, because everything else is just counter trend, and the counter trend is always risky, right? Especially if the trend is strong, you're swimming against the tide, is going to be always very dangerous, very risky. So that's the update for gold for today. Hope you enjoy it, and if you do like it, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time next week. Have a nice weekend, everyone.